Welcome to the Managing Forms training module in HotHealth. This platform offers a powerful built-in form builder that lets organizations design and customize digital forms for surveys, feedback, assessments, and more, streamlining workflows and boosting engagement. Now, let's start building forms. To access them, navigate to the Profile button. You can reach the Forms section either through the dashboard or by selecting Manage Forms. From the dashboard, go to Forms under Organization Settings. This will take you to the Forms List page, where you can view, manage, and edit all existing forms. For quicker access, simply click Manage Forms to go directly to this section. To create a new form, click New Form. You'll have the option to start with a blank form, use a configured template, or duplicate an existing form already available in the system. Let's create one from scratch. Inside the Form Builder, you'll find a quick instruction guide, configuration settings, and a collection of form field categories. To begin, enter a form name, then drag and drop the fields you need. Field categories include Layout, Standard, Advanced, Display Data, Data Sharing, and Partial Forms. Start with the Layout fields, which help you structure and organize the form's design. For example, you can use a tab component to group sections. Once a field is added, update its display settings. API, Conditional Actions, Logic and Layout. When you're done, click Save. To edit a field's settings, simply hover over the field and click the gear icon. You also have the option to move, edit JSON, copy and remove the field. Next, add a standard field such as a text input, drop-down, or checkbox commonly used to collect user information. Let's use a text field as an example. Configure its settings as needed. Under the Validation tab, tick Required to ensure the field must be filled out before submission. Continue this process for all necessary fields, customizing each one to suit your data requirements. Now, move on to advanced fields. These functions like standard fields but come pre-configured for specific types of data, such as email, phone number, and more. You may also want to explore display data and data sharing fields, which provide additional flexibility for presenting and linking data across forms. Lastly, partial forms are pre-built forms designed to save you time in building your form. Just drag and drop one into your form and a preview will appear in the configuration panel. You can review its fields and customize it further by adding or removing items to match your specific setup. Other than using tabs to separate different form sections, you may also enable the multi-page setting in the configuration panel. This allows you to add multiple pages to your form, making it easier to organize content. Simply click Add Page, group related fields onto each page and repeat the process until your layout is complete. This approach is especially useful for longer forms, as it improves navigation and user experience. Once everything is set, click Create Form. Each form is assigned a unique URL, which you can embed on your digital front door or existing website. This makes it easy to integrate without needing to replace your current site. From the Forms list, you can view or edit any existing form. To edit, just click on the form and then click Edit. Navigate through the form, add or remove fields and adjust settings as needed. When you're finished, click Update Form to save your changes. To test your form, click View, or copy the form URL and open it in a new tab. You'll be prompted to pre-fill the form using data from your Lifecard account. After that, continue filling out the remaining fields manually to experience the full form flow from a user's perspective. This lets you check field layout, required validations, multi-page navigation, and any pre-filled data. The form builder is highly flexible, and the best way to become comfortable with it is through hands-on exploration. Try out different field types, settings, and layouts to see how they behave in the live environment. Once your form is saved and published, a shareable link will be generated, making it easy to test, review, and deploy in real time. That's a quick look at how to manage forms in HotHealth. The Form Builder simplifies data collection and supports consistency across your workflows. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com. Be sure to check out our other training videos too.